So here we're told that W is not equal to 0, and the question is which of the following must be true. So must be true means you can also negate those by picking an example that doesn't satisfy the given condition. So here, for example, if we pick a negative number, this becomes absolute value of minus 2 over minus 2, which is 2 over minus 2 is minus 1. It's not equal to 1. In general, this question really is saying, is that absolute value of W is equal to W? Well, that's true if W is positive, but if W is negative, then absolute value of W is minus W. So that's why this is not true, meaning under all circumstances. The other one is W squared. You can also either do it generally, saying, is that true? Well, if W is positive, then yes, because in that case, this would be W, and they are indeed equal. But if W is negative, absolute value of W is minus W, and then this side becomes minus W times W is minus W squared, which is not equal. But you can also do it with number. If you try a negative number, that piece would become 9 over absolute value of minus 3, which is 3, but this side is minus 3. They're not equal, so 2 is out. And the third one is actually a familiar identity. I want all my students to actually already know this. This comes up often on the GMAT in different forms. So yes, this is always true. That's kind of you can think of it as that's the definition of absolute value. So this is always true. And in fact, if you eliminated 1 and 2, the only option left is 3 only, because there's no none. And the reason for that is you can think in terms of numbers too. If W is positive, you can try numbers here. For example, 3 squared, absolute value 3. Okay, that one works. If W is minus 5, let's say, so it would be minus 5 squared, square root of 25. Note the square root symbol, square root of a number is always reserved for the positive number. It's not that square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. No, that's not the case. If you see equations like x squared is 25, you can write x is plus or minus root 25. But that is always reserved. If you just see the symbol, that's always equal to just 5. And if we do on the other side, absolute value of minus 5, that is also indeed 5. So this is an identity, always holds true. So the answer is 3 only, choice B.